Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see why using a currency symbol in invoices is important and how you can easily enable it in Sleek Bill. See this invoice? Right now, it is showing Indian rupees. But honestly, doesn't rupee look much better? It looks clean, easy to read, and your client can quickly understand the currency. Using symbols makes your invoice look modern, improves readability, and creates a better impression on customers. Now let's see how to enable it. First, open your browser and go to www.sleekbill.in. Click on Login, enter your email ID and password, then click on Sign In. Now you are on the dashboard. Scroll down and click on the Preferences tab. By default, General Settings will open. Scroll down and find the option Show currency symbol instead of currency code in preview. Turn this option on. Then click on the Save button and done. Now, when you create a new invoice, instead of $100, it will show $100. Instead of 500 Indian rupees, it will show 500 rupees. This small change makes your invoices look more professional, easy to read, and client-friendly. Try it once. You will see the difference instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips on Sleek Bill.